You on Instagram again?
Nope. Just checking messages.
You on Instagram again?
Nope. Just checking messages.
So many people text you?
Not really. Just group chats.
So many people text you?
Not really. Just group chats.
Group chats are chaos.
I mute them all.
Group chats are chaos.
I mute them all.
Smart move.
What are you doing?
Smart move.
What are you doing?
Watching reels.
Let me guess. Memes.
Watching reels.
Let me guess. Memes.
Obviously.
You never change.
Obviously.
You never change.
Why should I?
What's that sound?
Why should I?
What's that sound?
My game.
Turn it down. Driver might get annoyed.
My game.
Turn it down. Driver might get annoyed.
True. My bad.
What game is it?
True. My bad.
What game is it?
Subway Surfers. Classic.
Still playing that.
Subway Surfers. Classic.
Still playing that.
Yeah. It's relaxing.
You never liked racing games.
Yeah. It's relaxing.
You never liked racing games.
Not really. You do?
I like car games.
Not really. You do?
I like car games.
Fast and Furious style?
Kind of. Less crashing though.
Fast and Furious style?
Kind of. Less crashing though.
Wanna play something together?
Like what?
Wanna play something together?
Like what?
Two-player mobile game?
You know.
Two-player mobile game?
You know.
I'm in. Let me download.
I already have it.
I'm in. Let me download.
I already have it.
What's your username?
Same as always. Luna_23.
What's your username?
Same as always. Luna_23.
Found you. Sent invite.
Got it. Ready.
Found you. Sent invite.
Got it. Ready.
Let's go. I'm gonna win.
Dream on.
Let's go. I'm gonna win.
Dream on.
You just skipped me.
Strategy.
You just skipped me.
Strategy.
You're evil.
Thank you.
You're evil.
Thank you.
I'll remember this.
Don't cry when I win.
I'll remember this.
Don't cry when I win.
Never.
Done. I won.
Never.
Done. I won.
Not fair.
Fair and square.
Not fair.
Fair and square.
Rematch.
Later. My battery's low.
Rematch.
Later. My battery's low.
Always your excuse.
I need a new charger.
Always your excuse.
I need a new charger.
Didn't you just buy one?
It broke.
Didn't you just buy one?
It broke.
Cheap one?
No, just bad luck.
Cheap one?
No, just bad luck.
Or bad choice?
We're almost there.
Or bad choice?
We're almost there.
Finally. That was long.
At least it wasn't boring.
Finally. That was long.
At least it wasn't boring.
Thanks to me.
Yeah. Whatever.
Thanks to me.
Yeah. Whatever.
Let's race to the door.
You're on.
Let's race to the door.
You're on.